Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with me again. Okay, so this time I'm here in Canggu area. I want to walk around or along Jalan Pantai Berawa and let's see the situations today. And maybe some of you will curious about the situations at the Atlas Beach Club because what happened last time. So let's walk around here and let's see the situations, guys. And also let's visit the beach. And as you can see, this is the situations around here. It is quite busy anyway, a lot of cars, scooters going around. And look at the project, guys. That is a massive project. Last time I came here, it was not done yet. Until now, still not done yet. Probably it'll take some time. But yeah, I don't know how long it will be. And look at this here. There is a rice paddies. And I hope he will stay like this for a long time. I don't know, maybe it will be difficult because a lot of projects around in this area. Anyway, let's keep walking. Bye-bye. Wow, look at this. We got rain on and off actually in Bali. This morning we got rain and then at noon it was dry again and then suddenly rain again. And this is what happened. Some spots we got some flooding. And I think the government need to clean these things here. Put a better drainage. That is a drainage actually, but a bit higher than the road, guys. So this is what happened. Maybe we can do fishing next time. Oh! Anyway, if you go to the left here, you will go to Seminyak. And for sure there are like a lot of businesses now, cafe, restaurants. It's kind of like endless business along this street, guys. But this time, I will not take you to that side, but instead, I want to go from here to the beach. Whoop! That is what happened in Bali when you want to cross the road. You need to go ahead. If you wait, you will be keep waiting for a long time because no one will stop. Anyway, there are a few, what is that? New businesses in this area. There in the front is the Patrick Spa. I didn't see it last time. And next to it, that is quite famous cafe actually.
It is.
I forgot the name of the cafe. Yeah? It's Lusa by Suka. Even at this time, there are quite a lot of people there. It is around almost 5, guys, 4:30. Let's just cross the road to have a better look. Lusa by Suka, and next to it here is the Margaret Bistro. Look at that. It is really busy at the moment. And here next to it is Chaiba. It looks a bit quiet at the moment here. And here, what do we have here? Kori restaurant since 1998. But yeah, they are preparing for dinner, I think. Full setup already. Maybe later we'll be busy. The Look Hotel, hello. Hotelnya baru Pak ya? Kapan buka? Oh, baru buka 2 bulan. Oh, pantas. Kasih ya. I didn't really see that hotel before, and I asked the security, and he said that it started to open like since 2 months ago. So more options for you to stay in this area, guys. It looks quite big from the street. Okay, let's keep walking. At least we have a good footpath here. So for you that love walking around in this area, it's much easier now. Hello, Sababa. What's it, Sababa? Where is Warung Nyoman? Yeah, the sign is here. Inside is Warung Nyoman, guys. So if you look for Indonesian food, I think the price is local price. Yeah, tipat cantok, tipat plecing, basically all the Indonesian and traditional menu. Anyway, talking about this area, about Canggu, I think most of you know about the hypes of Canggu now because most of the young tourists like to travel to this area. Before, maybe they travel a lot to Kuta, to Seminyak, but now I think mostly they come to Canggu area, because as you can see around here, the buildings, the architecture, it's more modern, I can say, compared than Kuta and Seminyak. But Kuta is Kuta or Seminyak is Seminyak. There's always people like to come there. And I think, in my opinion, maybe is the best time to visit Kuta or Seminyak, yeah, because less crowded, of course. The crowd is here now in Canggu. And if you look for spa, it's Angira Spa here. They have also in the Kuta, and they have it here as well. Regarding the price, I'm not really sure. Maybe pretty the same. I'm out, but along the street, I find out there are not so many small shops like that, like this. Like normally you will find around Kuta or Seminyak. I hear also some more. Hello. See, they have jerseys, sunglasses, and nice bags as well. It is similar things that you can find in Kuta and Seminyak as well. Here also some more same stuff, so woods. Look at that. Barber shop, I think here, or tattoo. This is barber shop and tattoo studio. And a small cafe or warung here. And here, if you love to go to Kimberly Spa, they have one in Seminyak. They have one here as well in Canggu. Anybody needs shoes, maybe? Oh, that is a good money changer there, guys. And the rate today is 15,950 for US dollar. I think that's normal rate for today. Shoes, suitcases. This must be a village temple here. And today is kind of like a ceremony. Pagarwasi ceremony, we call it. Another money changer there on the right side. This is the Pertamini, guys. You cannot find a big petrol station, but you can buy it from this kind of warung. And here on the right side is the Atlas Beach Club, guys. This is the situation at the moment. Maybe some of you heard what happened last time, because there was a, what you call that? And everywhere in social media showing that one of the night party, they are using symbols of Hindu's god, which is Shiva. We prayed for Shiva, and that unfortunately they use it for as a background of one of their party night, guys, and it caused a lot of protest from the Balinese people. And the issue, this nightclub will be closed, but I don't know in the future, because this is really massive beach club maybe, and some of the Balinese that working here, maybe they will not agree if it's closed. From here we can't see anything, yeah, I mean, but the parking area is a bit quiet. Normally there will be full here, and there is some renovation to the front side of the Atlas Beach Club. So not really sure. Maybe we can ask the security, but I'm not really sure that he will answer. Let's just have a quick look here, guys. Tapi sampai saat ini masih buka ya. So it's not allowed actually to bring the camera inside, and I don't know what will happen. Let's see in the future. I was just hope the best for the boat side. And we passed by the Fins Beach Club, guys, before we arrived at the beach. Anyway, there is a viral video also last night. I saw there were like fighting between security and some of the guests here. And so far, I don't really know the problem. What was the problem? Why they had like fighting security with the tourists? So I cannot comment about it. Or maybe let's ask the security ya. Li, kenapa kemarin waktu yang bule itu ya beli ya?
Oh, kemarin saya libur, Pak.
Oh, ada libur?
Iya.
Saya lihat di video soalnya.
Ya, saya juga lihat di video.
This is the situation at the moment. All good here. Maybe ask, Pak, Kenapa kemarin bule itu tahu Pak?
Kurang tahu sih.
Kurang tahu.
Ya libur pas ini.
Oh gitu. Kasih ya. Li, kemarin masuk?
Ya.
Kemarin masuk? Nggak libur?
Ya.
Semua libur.
Libur yang mana?
I tried to ask the security around here, but most of them were off yesterday. I don't know. They just maybe don't want to discuss about it. Yeah, it was just sometime happened. They were fighting, and hopefully it will not happen again in the future. Okay, we are reaching the beach, and let's keep walking and see the situations around here, guys. Look at that, it's really busy. This is the situations, guys, here at this beach. Strong wind, same like last few days, and there was no local bars here open, unfortunately. Maybe because of the weather like this, guys. Sometimes the wave is really big. And here, this is the front side of the Finn Beach Club. And you can see from here, the Finn Beach Club is quite busy. Let's just keep walking. But at least the beach is very clean, guys, which is very good. It's really glad to see it. Hopefully this beach is always clean, even though during the rainy season. This is the Finn Beach Club. It is very loud music. And next to the Finn Beach Club, I don't know what it is. It looks closed. Maybe this is the hotel, or it says Finns there. It's belong to them maybe. Or it's kind of like new building maybe. What do you think, guys? You know about this? And here is the Atlas Beach Club, guys. From here you can see Atlas Beach Club is considered really quiet, I can say. So this is the Atlas, as you can see. It's considered quiet, I can say, but they are open, definitely. So what do you think about this area, guys? Would you like to stay around in this area maybe? Since I'm still here, maybe I will drive you to the shortcut and let's see the other beach, which is Batu Bolong Beach. So it will be my part 2 video, guys. Okay, so see you again in the next one. Thank you very much, and bye now.